Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. All right, a much needed update because we actually got a solid bounce from 2 cents, and I believe, but I'm not sure about this. I did tweet about this, but I believe we talked about it in the last video as well. I think we covered this on Monday or Tuesday, and back then we had found resistance right here at this at this spike area, right here at like 2.25 and 2.2 cents. Found resistance there. It looked like, and we were also, or at least it looked like we were finding some strong resistance there, and also, yeah, we were also losing some momentum there. So what we said in that video, I believe, and otherwise, like I said, I said it on Twitter or X. What I said is that, all right, well, it's not a problem, but then we do need to get a strong bounce off of 2 cents. And over the last day or so, last 2 days, the initial reaction wasn't too strong. Obviously also caused by Bitcoin. That was not too strong, especially on Tuesday and Wednesday. But over the course of today, or yesterday evening actually, it really started to provide some strong support. And you can see with Jasmy that the open interest also really started rallying. I would say like it started yesterday in the end of the afternoon, but most of this bullish momentum was actually in the last night, at least for me. So I missed most of this. I didn't see it live. I mean, I knew that there was a good chance that we could get something like this, but this is what we're seeing right now. Like the momentum increase that we're seeing right now is absolutely crazy. All right, the momentum, like right now we have $65 million in open positions. With that initial rally, we had more. We almost had double. But if you go to all the other rallies we had right here, the momentum was usually lower. So this is actually pretty major. And most of you know that already, of course. But it's big news. And this level right here, around 2.5 cents, is the level we've been talking about for, well, what is it? Well, almost like 1.5 months right now. It's a major level. As you can see, technically, it's very, very much respected. If you go to the 3-day time frame, it's also respected there. So that's a massive level. It's also a psychological level, of course, because it's 2.5. So the main question is today is, can we actually break above that? And well, obviously, I can never be sure. I mean, I can only tell you what I think is most likely. And if I look, the main thing you should do is wait for the breakout. All right, I never like to predict whether a breakout is actually going to last or not. So for example, if we close above 2.6 or 2.65, then this whole support level between 2.4 and 2.5 is our support. So I would say that if we can actually break above that, I mean, I do think the breakout will hold. And I will even go as far as saying that I think a breakout right here is most likely. All right, if you look at Jasmy right now, there's no indication that we will not break out. The momentum is at huge levels. It's not decreasing or anything at this point of time. Look, if this starts dropping down, if this starts to be very bearish, all right, well, then maybe we're not going to break out. But at this point of time, it looks most likely we'll break out. If we break out above 2.5 cents, the next real resistance level is right here between 2.8 and 3 cents. Especially 2.8 initially is a very strong resistance level. So what I expect is that we will get the bullish breakout. We'll do a bit of a retest and we'll move up to 2.8 and 3 cents. That's what I expect for now. Now, if for some reason we're not able to break above 2.5 cents, it's not necessarily a problem. We can still do that later as well after a bit of a pullback. The only problem for Jasmy would arise, for example, if Bitcoin really starts falling down rapidly today, is if the open interest starts to drop down. All right, so if you see a big spike down in that open interest, that means that a lot of positions are being closed, and that means that whales are exiting positions, which is, I think, the only danger for Jasmy right now. But even though that's something that's possible, and even though that's a potential danger, I still think it's most likely that we will not do that, and that we'll break out and rally up higher. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.